Quick update. Turtle wax rubbing compound. I'm doing the front side for the third coat. Water spots galore as we move back. Not so bad. I got 2 coats of the turtle wax rubbing compound on the back side here. And I'm going to start working in the Meguiar's wax after this. My engines were smoked with water spots. I actually had to do 3 coats with the drill and the turtle wax rubbing compound. They are still not perfect, but they are much better. Very shiny. Much better. This side as well. It's looking much better. Again, 25 bucks for the little Meguiar's rim cleaner. Just there. Worked really well. And this really worked cool for the I know I showed you this before, but you just shoot. Spin that joker up, and that loads it up. As you can see, it cleans it right out, loads this thing up, and then you're ready to go. Works awesome.